Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the program Seesaw for child development students. The first thing you're going to do is Google Seesaw, and it's the first one that comes up. After you click that, you'll go into the sign up for free, and that'll be the first thing that comes up. If you don't already have an account, you're going to click that. If you do have an account like me, you're going to click sign in. Now you have the option to sign in as a teacher, a student, or a family member. Obviously, today we're going to be a teacher. Now it automatically puts my login in, but if you didn't already have a login, you would go to create account if you weren't able to sign up for an account already. Then you're going to click teacher sign in, and it'll log you in. Now the first thing you'll do, I already have a class down here because I've already put my students in, but if you didn't, you would click plus students. You would go to the very bottom over here and click add students. Now this is a list of my class, but at the very bottom you would type in the next student. So say my new student's name is Todd. I'm going to click add student. If he didn't want that icon, or if for some reason you would want it to be their picture, you can click on icon and then either choose a different picture for them or click use photo. And you can actually upload an image of them or use the camera if they have a hard time finding their icon. So I'm going to go back. This screen shows you what the QR code is for your class. So you're going to want to display this somewhere in your classroom and print the student sign-in page so that students can actually log in with the QR code using their iPad. So I'm going to close out of that. So this is basically your home page. You have a journal, you have activities, inbox, skills, or a blog. There's also an option for families to log in as well. This says invite parents and families, and they can actually connect with it and see what their students are doing in the classroom, which is very beneficial. So the first thing you want to do is you want to add something in your class. So you're going to click the plus up here. You can either browse the activity library, create or share an activity, post to a student journal, or send an announcement to the whole class. So for today's purposes, I'm going to browse the activity library. The thing I really like about this is because it's geared towards your grade level. So in pre-K, it gives you getting started with Seesaw in pre-K, building classroom community in pre-K, or fall favorites. So if I wanted to click on that, I could click on that and it would give me lots of ideas with what to do for child development students. You could do measurement, you could do family photo, you could do designs, you could talk about what they're proud of, you could talk about their favorite color, any of these items. So say I really enjoyed measurement because that's what we've been working with. I would click on this and it has directions for me. So the first thing I want to do is go to share, and I'm going to put share with one class. Now that's going to post it on my activity wall so that all my students are going to be able to see it. I'm going to click this to go back to my class and show you where it shows up. See right here, it's going to pop up the first thing. I had already previously put an activity on here. It says share what you made today. So the students are going to take their iPads. They're going to use these icons to see what they're going to do. So the first thing they're going to do is click add. They're going to find their name, example, Jalea. And they have the option to either take a photo, take a video, put a drawing in, a link, a note, or add a file. I actually took a picture for her today, so I'm going to click add file, select from computer, and it's the first one that pops up. And then after that, you're going to click this check mark. So that's going to drop it in. She now has the options to record on the picture, draw on the picture, label it, or caption it. So typically for child development students, they would want to record and talk about what they created in the classroom. And then you'll click the check. Now after you do that, it's going to upload that photo to your wall, and if there was a video, that would be on there as well. The really neat thing about Seesaw is that after they do that, if you add the families down here and the families have access to your QR code, they can actually see what's going on in your classroom in real time. So if her parents were online, example for right now, they would be able to go to this and see what she was creating in the classroom. So it really creates a bond between families and school atmosphere. And that's about all we have time for today, but when I show you everything that we're going to do, you can ask questions, and any other thing you need to know, I'll be glad to help you with. Thanks for watching.